Eagle 107 approaching Delta target. Eagle 107 to base. We found it! We found it! Hey guys, the lost bandit is real!
As a child, Tad always dreamed of being a great archaeologist.
Explorers just landed at the excavation site. Yo, Tad, you find any treasure? Not yet. Dude, you never find anything, loser.
Although he never had that much luck.
You'll be the best treasure hunter when you grow up.
Until the day came that fate would turn him into a legend.
Download that moron before he gets hurt!
Well, more or less.
You're a construction worker, not an archaeologist!
I've really got something here. I can feel it.
Did you make another one of your discoveries?
The discovery.
It's just a replica. Don't ever stop dreaming. Keep moving on like a rolling stone.
It's from Thomas Jefferson, too?
No, it's from Bob Dylan, but it's perfect, huh?
In 2012, Studio Canal
This is the key to the golden city of Haiti.
invites you to join an incredible adventure
I'm going to Machu Picchu.
I mean, I found the lost city!
with a very special group of heroes.
Oh, way to go, Belzoni!
So next stop, the
Nazca Desert.
Pause, we have a problem here.
And full of surprises.
I am your father.
Eh?
She's the one that makes me misrehearse. She's the one that made me mother. She got me wrapped around every one of her fingers. I can't help it. It's true. It's love. She's the one that makes me misrehearse.
Tad, the Lost Explorer. In 3D.
You know what, Band-Aid face? Someday I will grow up and then you won't scare me.
Coming soon, only in cinemas.